Second round. Now when you say people, play back the song again. When you say play back again. Kaboom, you ready? Kaboom, you ready? And you play again. Come on, what up? Reggae crowd, what up? Now reggae crowd run down. Reggae crowd get feared. Reggae crowd get feared. People, the man say we can't play no more. Him say we can't play no more. 10 seconds. No man, don't swear man, no school man, just deal with it proper no man. Alright, you can play that one, alright? Alright, reggae crowd, them say one more, alright? Alright, ready now. Make sure they catch this man. Alright! And then buck up in that. Buck up in that. Buck up in that. Yeah, pull up. Yeah, father we here. It's a bar and right now it's something very nice. You must give them 10 more troops, please. Yeah, man should know what a wickedest dancer. No, they're my Jamaican, stand up. Alright, see it here now. See it here now. See it here now. So me ready back again.